Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Dream team out. Come on, them. One goal.
Stand in and out. Team out now.
Man, come out of regulations.
Out and bad.
Man, come out of regulations. I was going to what for news.
Talpi. Yeah. See there. Talpi there. Who that? Mr. Lover. Mr. Lover. Gin. Everything go on. Cool now. So the whole Dream Team family there. Yeah. Light Parks himself.
Dream Team, man.
Diamond.
Brother.
Man. One team. A little there.
All the time.
All the while. See them.
Prince there ups.
Prince there ups.
Feet, you know? No joke like this.
Yeah. No joke another thing.
No joke like this, you know?
Yeah.
Feel nice and happy, you know?
See there. All the while.
Big up all you lads, man.
Yeah.
I just need vibes.
Man, baby, I want them shirt today. Walk on.
It's unexpected rollout.
Yeah. Unexpected.
The whole of us same way.
Yeah.
Team still.
Spraga.
Yeah. So what are the money?
We out.
We out.
Yo. On the far side, you know?
Chef. Chef is here.
I can't service.
Yeah. Boom. Everything go on.
You know my style already, you know.
Yeah.
Crabba, you know. I'm just going to hold it to the people.
Yeah.
So, you know. It was your friend, you put on like one socks in a gym, you know.
Yeah.
You have to take more, man, you know.
Yeah.
Magic man.
Apple pie say big up.
Apple pie say big up.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, apple pie now call me, you know. You know, I'm already, you know. 1, 2, 3. Then get me a press 4. No, my number now. No, already, you see me?
Yeah. You know, man.
You know, time to call you again, man. Just give me number straight.
Yeah.
Tough in apple pie. I just can't see, you know. Oh, young. Oh, young.
It really matter. Oh, young. Everything go. Carl, 3 big boom there. 3 boom.
Apple pie.
3 big boom. Marvin Morgan.
Blessed into the world, and I love the world, you see.
Yeah.
Father God bless the world, the Most High bless the world, you see. Keep yourself strong, you know.
Yeah.
He motivate to see him, you see, you don't know what's going on.
Yeah.
You are the right thing and we are the right thing.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Right thing, man.
Change stone.
Dream team for life.
Oh.
No, yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let them know. Painter say that. Oh. Come here, Talpi. Yeah. So as I say, Dream Team. So today, you know, we have a donation from Pam Pantry from New York. Mr. Shaw send the Dream Team them a little change. You see me? Because the people them like what go on. You see me? So she play a part. And she must give each man $2,000 each. You see me? She name Ann Talpi. So this is from Ann from New York.
Yes, sir, yeah, and yeah, man, the team still there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, big thanks.
So Ann from New York.
Yes, and from New York.
Yeah, Ann from New York. Lem. So you know this is Ann from New York.
Thanks and praise, you know. Blessed and thanks, you know.
Yeah.
More strength. One team.
One team.
The dream team.
Riding. So you know this from Ann from
And
New
from
York.
New York, thanks. And much thanks. Continue help, and we continue to do good work.
So Jella. This is from Ann from New York.
And big represent. I respect.
Cracks, man.
Yeah, man, don't know the hand. Enough love and blessings and respect, you know. Give thanks, you know, no matter how small it is, you know.
Yeah.
Still there, do the good work, you see.
Yeah,
Dream
see
team,
the
yeah.
Dream Team. I know you have
Harry.
Harry.
Yeah, give thanks to the hand. More like, you see.
Yeah.
May the Lord bless and keep, you see. Do good work. There.
See there.
More like.
Worms, Brad.
Yeah, no. Give thanks in the hand. Go and bless yourself and take care and keep safe, same way. Bless it.
See there. Bramwell. See him go from Ann
Blessed in
from.
the hand. Enough love and respect, you see me?
Yeah.
Coming from Bamovich.
Straight.
Yeah, straight up.
I have man like Sparks. From Ann from New York.
Love blessing, man, and live yourself, you hear that? Good life, you hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Upon everyone, you see it?
Yeah.
Give thanks, you see me? Enough respect. Yeah, man, thank you.
Yeah. I also have Kirkis. And also Kirkis from Bronx. So I'm gonna do the same thing too. I buy everybody a drink. Make sure it's a Dream Team and buy drink. You see me? 15 days from Kirkis.
Bless no Kirkis, straight love, you hear that? Yeah, man, keep on the good work, Dada.
Kirkis from Bronx.
Bronx, yeah, man.
Anything I have Sparks. Kirkis from Bronx.
The Curtis do yourself from Bronx, you see me?
Rough and respect, you see?
Yeah, every time. Jella. Everything Kirkis.
Big up yourself. Thanks very much.
I have Gotsman, it's a Kirkis from Bronx.
Enough respect in a Curtis. Dream team out there do the good work.
Yeah.
All over respect.
Sure. Worms, Brad.
Yeah. General, you know what's going on.
Yes.
Go and bless up yourself and do it right. You see?
Yeah.
Give thanks.
Come well. Lady.
Give
Kirkis.
thanks to my boss. Big up for that for Kirky. You don't know. Dream team, live.
Yeah. It's a Kirkis from Bronx.
Alright, big thanks to Kirkis and respect, yeah. Big up and more love, you hear that, brother?
Yes, sure.
Manners, one team, dream team.
Right, Parks.
Yes, Kirk, it's many love, yeah, many thanks, and do the good work. Give thanks.
Every time. Oh, well.
I get a cup from car, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so get the cup. Pass the white rum there, because the white rum here from G-Rock. Pass the white rum there. Tell people.
Yeah, mama, please say that.
And you see, and you see that the white rum here now. From G-Rock. G-Rock say, oh, dream team, dream got. No, Carl! You don't know. They're from G-Rock, from America.
Yeah,
you know, say, yo,
why G-Rock?
G-Rock, drink something from the side. But they know, say, take a break today.
Yeah.
So we are beat it same way.
G-Rock, you got the rock, you know, you got high, you know.
Yeah.
The rock, you see me? Yeah, man, G-Rock, respect for this guy.
Yeah, shit.
G-Rock, man, love it, you know.
Yeah.
Respect, yeah.
G-Rock.
Oh, Carly. Oh. Yeah, God. I want to tell a G-Rock say, yeah, I'm a friend from school years, you know. You see me? Say himself must give him a call, make you heal him up as well, you see me? And himself must give that $3 grand, you know, likewise. There's a name G-Rock. When I make a talk to him one way out here.
Yeah.
You see me? Because him say, yeah, I know I break you to school.
Don't know in Nigeria. Give thanks, you see?
Yeah.
Honor faith. You see me, my brother? Yeah, man, you want to have a talk, you know, catch back the memories, you see?
Yeah, yeah.
Manners and respect.
Yeah. Marvin. Marvin there. Marvin. Do that thing there.
Record boom there.
When I told you,
Ashley.
yo,
Liquor. So from Kirkis. From Bronx. $7,000 from Kirkis from Bronx.
Curtis from Bronx.
Kirkis.
Curtis.
Yeah, from Bronx.
Many bless Curtis from Bronx. May Father God bless you and keep you all the day of your life. And hope your basket never empty. Always can gather with the team same way. Same like how you are working, so we are working with the team same way. Bless you.
Yeah, so Prince. We up and stay up. It's from Big Eyes.
Big guys.
Yeah, from the UK. Towards the material. $10,000 from Big Eyes.
So your teeth mic. Your teeth mic up.
Yeah, from Big Eyes. The UK. Big Eyes from the UK.
Big guys from the UK. Big up yourself. Only follow up.
Yeah.
Give thanks for it. Nice, I go to our nose and thing, you know?
Yeah.
Much love and thanks.
And don't forget your flashlight from Anne.
Which is right, you know?
And so must buy your flashlight.
Yeah, big up yourself and love.
Yeah.
Strength, guide and protect you, you know?
Yes, sure.
Keep up your good work, you know?
Yeah, because she my light in the house, so she give her a
Guide and protect you, you know?
Yeah. Turn on your flashlight. Bling.
Hey!
Shine from now.
Nah, sit down.
It a bling.
Come on, bling again.
Yeah, that's one person I you with that. Alright then. Huh?
Like him and customer gonna be like him gonna meet somebody.
Okay. Jin, one of the moments. So we also have a donation for you as well too. It's from Omar. It's from Omar from the UK. Omar from the UK. $8,000. Omar from the UK. And say one team, dream team. Teamwork, made a dreamer.
Zach and Cole like.
Yeah.
Man.
So man, so today I take a day off and I go and have fires with the team there, you see me? Keep it one way, one team. Boy, yeah, whoa. So where big chain there, what go on? Park it up.
Yeah man, so I put it on man.
Yeah.
See me? Yeah man, I say I've been the boy and now it can't.
So what you have in that shop? What cook today?
Yeah man, you can look for mackerel and green peas. Yeah man, spam, you know?
Go on, so go on, you see me?
Yeah man, I'm ready to bring the kitchen and show you what I go on man, you see?
Yeah.
Custom man, you see me? Yeah man. See? Yeah, man, gentleman, you see me? Yeah man, Aki and spam man, never see special man, you know what I go on man. So I'm going to take a quick on it man.
Yeah, so go on.
That thing is in it.
Yeah man, I'm going to take a quick on it.
Yeah. That was a little thing from Kirkis. From Bronx.
Yeah.
Kirkis from Bronx.
Man, I respect Kirkis from Bronx. Hear that? I love it. Hear that, my family.
Come in, boy. I also want to go in the kitchen there.
Yeah man.
Top chef, you know.
Sweet, how are yourself, boss? Thing good, man.
Yes.
I hear that. Don't miss the party there, you know. I'm going to walk some party and bake what tastes nice like here, you know.
Yeah, them days.
I might give me back some party. Take a break and give some party for eat for 1 month straight.
Dream team and some party on the side. Yeah, it go. The Delgado. So I go in the kitchen there.
Yeah, ready to do that.
Yeah.
All perform things in the tonight. All Let's come, yeah?
Yeah.
And I sleep in there tonight.
Wow. All performing things in there. So Barry come.
What's your tonight?
So I go out then, boy. So I go out right.
Yeah, man. Yeah, kitchen, you know, Jella.
Yeah, kitchen, so I go.
I look for putting them on, you know, for breakfast style and okra. Yeah, it's okra, you know.
Color of the man and okra.
So okra, you see me I say? We put brown flour dumpling, you see me I say? Yeah, man. Yeah. Used to look over to there, you know.
So some mackerel and green peas.
Green peas.
And haki.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Spicy, man. Spicy, man. Yeah, man. Spicy man, you know.
It's an Italian spice, it's a Delgado spice.
Yeah, one this skin, the one you know,
It's my one.
Yeah, man.
Special one.
Yeah, man.
Ackee and green peas and
Green peas and
mackerel.
mackerel. Yeah, man, green peas. I've never set it tonight.
Yeah.
Look, you know what about that beginning, I see it one, but
Yeah. So it's a big foreign things there, so foreign for the cook. See them stack out.
Look at stuff, you know, people.
Yeah.
The kitchen going now, vinegar, man, you know, herb season, man.
And chickpeas and thing and
Look at chips on my bag, I'm looking, you know.
yeah.
It's not said people, I want them sugar.
And sugar.
Yeah, man, I'm telling you, I'm playing
I
them
know
tomorrow.
everything that you remember.
Yeah, man, some cup, yeah.
Oh, party cup.
Yeah, man, party cup now, yeah, man.
Get the party up.
I'm going to see food,
Come on, come on,
okay.
Can I give him shit?
Yeah, man, come on.
No, man, I have to catch him. I go say, whoa. Whoa. See there? Whoa.
Yeah, man, this is this. John walk up and you send that one there, you know.
Yeah.
So that one there, the Bronx that come from, you know.
And the Bronx.
Yeah, man, straight from out of Bronx, you know. Just come out of the bar, you know.
Yeah, New York,
I'm
Bronx.
spray him up on everything, you know. Yeah, man, pendant. Look there. One pendant.
Dolphin.
Yeah, man, pea ice on it, isn't it? Yeah, man. Whoa. Ice a bling.
Ice a bling.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. See that?
Yeah, no, and the glasses now. Whoa.
That's good. Yeah, man, you
Yeah, with the t-shirt now. Yeah, see there?
Now put it on the people.
Shit. Keenan has been Jamaica. Shit, dream team. Yeah.
So show me your shirt and I put on for my body, you know?
Yeah. And I know you don't really wear a shirt, you know.
There still, man.
There.
Okay, John, you see it? Ice chip. Next one now.
And the pot if you hold up, man. You hold up the pot too. Yeah, they know say hold up the pot as well. Yeah.
Hold up a white rice and ackee and green peas. Yeah, man, there's some people.
Yes, shit.
Tin mackerel night. Mackerel.
God, I used to see today that the season rice, you know. I love the foreign rice.
Look at the mackerel. Like the mackerel is left back, you know, the tin shell, you know.
Yeah, the tin shell.
Beat like that in there, turn a season rice. Yeah, man.
Yeah, turn it to season rice now.
Last time hours last night.
Pay on the hours.
Yeah, man.
We cook again pay on the hours.
Curry chicken and rice.
Last night.
Yeah, man, let them go for me and people that can't come back. Come get them food. Yeah, man, the joke thing, man.
Chef. Original chef.
Yeah, so we're going to the next journey, I know.
Yeah. There upon the journey.
That's a later.
Yeah. Everything will be greater.
Watch your face, man. They are all the you know.
Sure.
Teamwork, you know.
Teamwork. Yeah. Alright, big up yourself.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.